How to make January dump 8 your Instagram story. First you have to simply tap on plus. Now tap on story. Here at the top you find the templates option. You need to simply tap on this one. Now scroll down below. So here on a trending prompts you need to simply swim to the left side. So here you notice that there is a January dump 8 your Instagram story trend. You have to simply tap on this one. Now here you can simply upload 6 different pictures. So you need to simply tap on little spin button. Now here you can select the layout. So I want to just upload 6 different pictures to make January dump 8 your Instagram story. Here I want to just upload randomly 6 different pictures from my phone gallery to make the January dump 8 your Instagram story. So as you notice that I have successfully uploaded 6 different pictures from my gallery. So now I can easily customize the sticker size. After that you need to simply tap on check mark. So you notice that 28.7k people using this Instagram 8 US trend, because this is the latest trend on Instagram. A lot of people try to use this. And after that you need to simply tap on your story. Now I want to go to the Instagram story section. So here you notice that I have successfully created January dump 8 your Instagram story with the help of this process. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.